Hi, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, my channel name is Best Tution. Okay friends, today topic is vegetable palaav. Friends, this video is going on. First of all, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share to your friends. Friends, this video downs red color letters subscribe letters. Okay friends, please press it and beside of bell icon click it. Okay friends, let's go in topic. Friends, first of all, let the stove and next put the pan on the stove. Friends, just 2 minutes wait. Why? Because after heat the pan, pour some oil. After just heating the oil, put the onions and green chilies in this pan. And next just mix it. It is just fried. Onions color is light gold color is comes to wait this. Friends, once again, this is just fried it. Friends, this food is very healthy food and improve immunity power in this body. Anybody friends, don't skip this video and like this video and share to your friends. Okay friends, next add 2 eggs and cloves, cinnamon, ylang in this pan and just fried it totally. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, this video downs red color letters subscribe letters. Please press it and this letters beside of bell icon. Please click it friend. Okay. Next further videos, so latest videos notifications to your phone. Okay friends, don't forget to my words and please remember to my words. Friends, compulsory subscribe my channel. Okay friends. Friends, good comment and please send me. It is make easily in our houses. Friends, variety cookies in my channel, please watch. Friends, don't forget in my words. Friends, next put the in this pan daily and totally mix it. Now add the powder of in this pan star anise and mace. Friends, and then next add in this pan shajira. Just once again totally mix it. So it is fried it, friends. Okay. Friends, next add ginger garlic paste in this pan compulsory. Fried it, it is green smell is gone. Okay friends, look at this. And next add the pieces of carrot, friends, it is very spicy and smell is very good. Okay friends, next add the slices of tomato, look at this friends, just fried it in this totally mix. Friends, just for a friends, please like and share this video, because you like our video and share it to your friends. Friends, you will be encouraged by my channel. Okay friends, please remember to my words, don't forget. Then now just add coriander leaves and mint and mix it. Okay friends, just please look at this video. Friends, pour the some water. It is counting 2:4 is means the 4 glasses of water. Pour this to get this friend. And add the suitable salt in this pan. Just total mix it. And next friends, please wait just 3 minutes. Okay friends, let's see. Just open this plate and the pan, and next add 2 glasses of soaked rice. Friends, before half an hour soaked rice a pan. This soaked is compulsory before half an hour, and this soaked rice put the pan and totally just mix it. Okay friends, and close the pan. And compulsory please wait just 3 minutes. Okay, this food is very healthy food friends, so compulsory see this. Okay, next see the continuity, compulsory, don't miss it. Friends, please good comment about this video. Friends, this video, are you like it? And compulsory like this video. Okay friends, please send it. Okay friends, just see this. Wow friends, this is very tighted. Okay friends, this food is tighted, so it's called biryani, and another name is palaav. This is vegetable palao. Okay friends, it is very easily make it, and wow, it is a tasty food and healthy food friends, and it becomes good immunity in our body. Okay friends, okay friends, it is made totally full made. Okay friends, wow friends, very smell is very good. Wow, very good friends, smell is very good. Wow friends, thanks for watching this video. Friends, compulsory subscribe my channel and like this video and share to your friends. Friends, you will be encouraged by my channel. Okay friends, bye bye.